This is Bimmer Navii update. It's Bimmer Navii map update. It is a website dedicated to providing BMW owners with the latest navigation upgrade for their vehicles. The site offers a wide range of navigation software, maps, and firmware updates for various BMW models, ensuring the drivers have access to accurate and up-to-date directions while on the road. So, if you want to visit our website, it is Bimmer Navii update that can provide you a detailed summary of our website. So our website, if you come to home page, you will get an option of 24/7 call support. We have a quality of power. We have a payment return option in case you have a vast experience in this scenario. If you want to get your update now, so you have to visit our website that give you the cheapest 2023 BMW map update. So you have to click on get your update now and you will get update now. So if you want to select models, you have to come to the select model option. You will get different models here that have their specific cost. If you see, there's BMW 1 series map update, BMW 2 map series update, and BMW 3 map series update. That cost you $40 to $75 per update, and there is an option of USB upgrade. If you select this option, you can easily update with the minimum cost of $30. You can always upgrade your order to USB shipping if you have issue with your existing online download order. So you just have to put existing order number and add to cart, and then you will get this map update through USB upgrade. Thank you.